Hola everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, welcome. My name is Marianelli, and as you guys already read by today's title, I will be showing you guys the Instagram technique for finger coiling. So I have seen some gorgeous curls on Instagram, girls doing this to their curls, and they look just very natural. I think better than just twisting your hair to create ringlets. I think this one just makes your hair look very natural. I do have another finger coiling video. If you guys will want to see that, I will link it up so you guys can check that one out. Before we get into this video, guys, if you guys are not subscribed to my channel, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Also, make sure you hit that bell notification so you guys get notified every time I upload a video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This was my first time doing this to my whole hair, so I did struggle a little bit at the beginning, but then once you start getting the little technique down, it's really easy. Okay guys, so first we're gonna start off with freshly washed hair. And for today's product, I will be using the Weedad Curl Quencher. And for gel, I will also be using the Weedad Advanced Climate Control Stronghold Gel. This one is one of my favorite gels. So when doing finger coiling, I think that using a stronghold gel is best. It's just gonna hold and retain that ringlet for longer. So today I will be doing a middle part. I've been loving middle parts lately. First you wanna start off by parting your hair down the middle. I'm just gonna put it in a bun. I got these little hair clips from Amazon. They're great for holding your hair. I think they're way better than me using my other hair clips. These just work way better. They usually break on me. And I'm just gonna get a good amount of this Weedad cream. It is so hydrating. It feels really good. It smells amazing, and it has a great slip too. Then I'm gonna grab the gel and just put a little bit of this gel goes a long way, guys. I learned that from my first bottle that I consumed very fast. Right, so I'm not gonna be using a brush or anything to do my hair. I'm just simply going to be using my fingers. So we're gonna start off. You wanna grab your hair and kind of smooth it out. You're gonna grab, you could use 2 fingers. I'm gonna be using 2 fingers just because I want pretty thicker curls. So if you guys could do 1 finger. So you're gonna grab it and you're just gonna tuck it and keep twirling and bringing it up like so. Then you're gonna let it go to show you that curl. You guys see that? Then I went ahead and got a little more cream and gel and just scrunched everything up. Then I just continue to do exactly the same thing to the rest of my hair. Okay, so I'm finally done completely doing my whole hair. Guys, it really did take me like a little bit over an hour, I think, just because like you have to get the technique first down. Now I am going to start diffusing my hair. I'm gonna flip my hair gently over a little bit and just start diffusing my roots because they are the longest to dry. Alrighty guys, so I am finally done with my whole hair, diffusing it. This whole process has taken me a long time. I think I've been here for 2 hours trying to get these curls right. I do love the results though. It is very time consuming, but the results are amazing. I do like my hair, how it looks. It's still like 95% dry, but I want to quickly show you guys what it looks like. So this is what my definition is looking like. I feel like this is more of a natural pattern to your hair than the other one that I have done before. I like this one. I feel like this is like my exact curl type. But I have not broken the clumps or anything. I'm gonna do that right now. Just wanted to show you what it looks like before me touching my hair and breaking some clumps up. I'm just gonna grab a little bit of jojoba oil and just like put it all over my hair. I love how this oil smells. It smells so good. So I'm just gonna go lightly in and break some of my clumps. And by the way, my hair is so soft because of my products that I use. The Weedad cream made my curls so soft and so hydrated. I do feel them very hydrated. I like that. And I have the hold because of the very touchable and soft. So I'm gonna start breaking apart some of the curls. I also finally got a pick. I got this one from Amazon. It's made out of bamboo. So now I'm just gonna use my pick and I'm just gonna give myself a little more volume. So these are my final results. I really do like this finger coiling method better than the other. The reason because of that is because it just looks more natural. But yeah guys, I just really do like this. I think I'm gonna continue doing this. It is very time consuming like I said, but it's definitely worth it. I really do like how it came out. But yeah, thank you so much guys for watching my video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please let me know if you guys want to give this a try or if you guys already have tried this method out and what do you guys think about it. What do you guys think about my hair? But yeah guys, thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. And if you liked this video or found it useful, please give it a thumbs up. Thank you guys so much for watching and I hope you guys are back to see my next video. Bye guys.